Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank mobile app. Using our phone, let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and simply log in using a username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your home screen. From the home screen, tap on Profile at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on Security and Sign In Settings. Now look for the option called Biometric Login, Face ID or Touch ID. On the switch on to enable biometric login, your iPhone will now ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID or your phone's passcode. This step helps protect your account. Once confirmed, biometric login is successfully enabled. From now on, when you open the app, you can simply look at your phone or use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your password every time. And that's it, you have successfully enabled biometric login on the Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank app using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.